Hi, I want to give you just a quick update or a little emphasis as you read through the chapters dealing with the sociologists that established the discipline and the various types of research methods. By now, hopefully, you've gathered the information dealing with cultural relativism and with being ethnocentric. Now, we're all ethnocentric. Every time we look at some other custom, think of food especially. I think that's the easiest one. And we look at that custom and we go, ew, how can anybody do that? How could anybody eat that? How could anybody live like that? That's being ethnocentric. Now, in studying sociology, we do want to strive for to be culturally relative. We do want to strive for objectivity as we're looking at the various sociological phenomena. However, sometimes I feel, and again, this is an opinion, but something I want you to think about, I feel that sometimes we take that a bit too far, and we say, well, everything's relatives, so there's no such thing as good and bad. There's no such thing as right and wrong. There's no such thing as this is the way it should be done or not. When you're studying society, and we'll keep this in American society since that is our emphasis, as you go through the different chapters and you think about the values and norms and traditions and all the things that we expect in society, yes, be objective. Try to understand how it fits in our society. Remember the functionalist perspective. Or try and understand what it means in our society. That's a symbolic perspective. And try to see who gets what, who's gaining, who's losing. That's the conflict perspective. But after that's all done, once you have used your scholarly understanding in looking at these various phenomena, please don't be afraid to take a stand. Values count. Your opinions count. There are things that are right. There are things that are wrong. It's time to say so. Again, my opinion, but something I'd be likely to ask you about.